Welcome back, everybody. This is our fifth and final segment of 7 Minutes for Seniors. I'm Chris Wilson here with Jennifer Akin at J. Akin Law in Crescent Beach. If you've missed the previous segments, please go back and check them out. A lot of good information, a lot of surprising information. There's probably a video in there that's going to go viral. Who knows?
Maybe Snoop Dogg will call me.
There you go. So first of all, who would you want to meet? If you could meet anybody because of this video,
oh gosh,
or somebody
Chris.
could meet, like living, dead, fictional, whoever, who would you want to meet?
Andre Agassi.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, that doesn't surprise me, actually. You know.
I mean, I'm trying to think.
Like 1980s Andre Agassi with all the hair. Yeah. Yeah.
You know, he didn't love playing tennis.
Really?
Yeah.
Huh.
Because he played so much growing up, and he began to hate the sport.
I can imagine that's got to be difficult for like those child prodigies. You know.
I mean, right now I'm in a tennis mind, so I'm trying to think if there's anybody else I'm sure there is.
Nobody's going to feel slighted if you don't mention them. I always tell people that because they're like, I don't want to tell you anybody because I don't want my grandma to be like, oh you know?
God. Well, all mine are passed, so.
Well, you can bring them back for the dead.
Oh, really? I mean, I've never met my grandmother from India.
This is something I didn't know.
Yeah, so my father is from India. He came over here when he was 17 to go to Michigan State. I've met my grandfather, and I've met all my other family. We've traveled to India, but my grandmother died when I was really young.
Okay. All right.
Yeah. So.
I've never been to India.
It's amazing.
I imagine.
I think it is. Some people, you have to really embrace the culture. And we're not talking about shiny, brand new India. I'm talking about we go to our villages. Yeah. You know, really... old India.
I just thought you were really well tanned. I
get a head start.
Yeah, I had no idea. Yeah. Okay. All right.
I get a head start.
Because I know your mom, and she's not
Indian.
No. So I didn't expect that.
My mom is very blonde.
Yeah.
Very blue-eyed.
Yeah.
And but if you look at us side by side, we actually look exactly alike. Yeah. I'm just dark hair.
You're just the Indian-ish version.
Yeah. But it's kind of funny. My middle child, little bear, he's very pale and he has blue eyes.
Oh, wow.
So a lot of people are like,
where'd you find this one?
Yeah. But our ears stick out.
Okay.
So we both have ears that stick out.
It's for holding all that hair back. It's amazing. When I got rid of my hair, my ears started going back like this.
You need to try that.
All right. So thinking about the future, where are you in 5 years? Are you still at this address? What do you know?
I wish we could be at this address, but it seems that we keep growing. Right. Like I said, in the past 5 years, it's then gone from 2 of us to now 11 of us. We're growing out of this building. You know, we'd like to stay in the St. Augustine Beach area, maybe get something back up in Jacksonville like we used to have. But next 5 years, I just see this from still J. Akin Law. It would still be me as the only attorney, and just my team. I have an amazing team. And just still servicing our community and helping seniors and people with special needs.
Okay.
I'm on the board of directors of the Arc of St. John's. I'm joining Council on Aging. So I just like to be a part of the community. Absolutely.
So since we've established that we're around the same age, usually I go 5 and 10 years because a lot of my interviews are with older folks that have been in the community, staples in the community. But so I'm going to go with you. I'm going to go 20 years. Does 20 years put you in that retirement-ish
you know, I have worked since I was 11. Okay. Like I started a babysitting club. Like I've always felt like I've been grinding, you know, and working hard. I work really hard. And so in the next 10 to 20 years, I definitely see some type of retirement. My oldest son, like I told you, is autistic. And I feel, you know, in the next 10 years, he's going to need more. Hopefully he won't. We don't know. Maybe he'll mainstream, but we're working really hard. But, you know, I feel like I need to be more present with him at that point. It's going to be a big turning stone for us. And just, spending time with, I love spending time with my family. Yeah. So I could see myself kind of getting out. I thought about at some point running for county commissioner.
Really?
Not anytime soon, but in the future, yeah. I used to work for the county attorney's office.
Even some of the information, and like I live in Clay County, and these people get despicable. Yeah. And it's like you still have to work your full-time job. It's not like the county commissioner makes a huge paycheck or anything like that.
Well, that's why it would be like later on.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah. After you can get all those skeletons out of the closet. Get rid of the Snoop Dogg video.
No more sound blog. Yeah.
All right. Well, listen, what's that going to be? That's going to be 2044.
Yeah, so I'm 44, so
okay.
I'll be like 64.
64, is that when you run for county commissioner?
Probably, yeah.
Vote for Jennifer Akin in 2044.
We can start the campaign now.
We're starting already, folks. Please send in your donations.
St. Johns County.
Yep. Well, I think that's a good place to wrap. We've already got somebody in getting ready to run for public service in 20 years. So
that's right.
Appreciate you putting your name in the hat. This has been 7 Minutes for Seniors. I have the most wonderful pleasure of being down here with you.
This was so much fun.
Thank you. If you missed any of the previous segments, go back and check them out. Otherwise, make sure you reach out to her. It's very important. She said she likes crisis stuff, but I'm sure we'd all rather just have a plan in place.
Yeah.
For aging, especially if you have any of those criteria that she was talking about. So make sure you reach out to her. Y'all have a great day.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.